Hey, here in the office, unboxing the latest prototype from PCBWay, and special thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring our prototype. So this is the unboxing of, we got 5 prototypes to test. You can see this is the way it's sealed, order information on the front, delivered pretty quickly. Once the prototypes were constructed, it took about maybe 4 days, 3 or 4 days to ship from China to Sydney. Alright, so I cut the tape on this one. I'm gonna unwrap this, and it looks like quite a bit of bubble wrap there. And looks like we've got it wrapped in here. Gonna undo this. And here is the latest prototype. So we've got the more generic fan header, single row of headers there, GPIO. On the other side, we've got the M.2, the SD card, and we are yet to incorporate internal PoE. That's going to come on the next prototype. And it looks like we've got activity lights, we've got Ethernet lights over on the switch. So far, so good.